What up guys, it's your boy Tabang Mkonazi. I'm here in Delmas, Mpumalanga on a shoot for a client, right? And while I'm here, I thought I should make this short video. Guys, I think it's important to be multifaceted. It's important to have multiple skills. I'm here for a shoot, and then we're gonna take the pictures that I capture here and use them on a calendar for these guys, right? And so I'm gonna be doing the photography and the graphic design as well. And so they don't need to find two separate people. And I think that this gives me an advantage, right? Because I can do all of these things together, you know? And so skills pay the bills. That's the point that I want you to take from this video. I'm gonna spend something like 2 hours maximum in this place, and then probably I'm gonna spend an hour on the calendar, because I do have a template that I created last year already, and I'll have a calendar ready before the end of the day. Just consider this, guys, you know, being multi-skilled is an advantage for you, right? I understand the point of going deep on one thing, but you know, I love the place that I'm currently in. The fact that I can come here and do what I'm here to do, and I'm gonna write this guy's a quotation and get paid. And what's gonna do that is the fact that I have multiple skills. So I'm gonna charge them separately for the photo shoot, and I'm gonna charge them separately for the graphic design work. You know, and so, you know, that's just the point that I want you to think about, guys. I love the direction that my career is headed in, and I love the fact that I spent time developing these skills, and they're now starting to pay off. Think about it, guys. Whatever it is that you do, expand. You know, always be building on your knowledge, always be adding new things. I guarantee you, it's going to pay off in the end. I've been doing this, man, for the past 11 years now, and 7 years volunteering. Marvelous Media is not that old, man, and we're just starting. But I'm loving the direction that we're going into. And I wanted to encourage whoever's gonna say this to keep building your skills, man. Eventually, they're gonna pay you. Cheers, guys. I will see you in the next one.